we are going to look some mangoes. Good morning, guys. Come this way, Tareq. This way. Yeah, so today we are on the road and we are going to look some mangoes. Yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys along. Yep. Come this way. Going back home. We just get 3 mangoes because we're gonna make escabeche sauce again with green mangoes, so we needed some. Guys, we are still walking. I haven't been on this side of the community in a long time. But they're doing lots of construction work now because I think they're gonna do some housing developments down here. So that's what there's so much noise, so much work going on. So we're just taking a stroll and taking Tareq with us. So yeah, and I'm in my workout gears because I'm gonna work out after I have my breakfast. We are home. Manuel. And he knows exactly where to go. Okay guys, this is what I'm having for breakfast today. I already had my tea, my skinny tea, but then I felt like, you know, I wanted something else. So it's not eggs today. I am having Special K cereal with bananas, and I have a little bit of cranberries on top. I love it like this. It is absolutely delicious. And my favorite Special K is the fruit and yogurt one, which is what I'm having now. I'm gonna show it to you guys. It's my favorite. There is many different varieties and flavors, but that one is just perfect. I love it. So yeah, that's what I'm having for breakfast today. Yeah guys, this is the one that I'm having. It's fruit and yogurt. It is so good. This is my favorite Special K cereal. Okay guys, I am going to be making a play tent for Tareq, so that's what we're gonna be doing now. And I've never made this before, so it's new. And yeah, let me see if this one will go good or not. So yeah, here it goes. the tent. It was so easy. Yeah, there it is. So Tareq, he's eating. Yeah, there it is. So he can go in and play around. Yeah, you like it? Wow, you like it? Yeah. Come around this side. You can go in. Look, you could go inside. Right here. You can go in. Yay! You like it? Okay guys, so it was a success. He loves it, and now we're gonna go inside and play a little bit. So yeah. Yay, he loves it. He loves it, you guys. He has a little window there and a little side there he can crawl through. Yeah. He loves it. Okay guys, he's loving his little tent. He loves it. So I just went to get him a few toys to add and play with while he's in there, and he's loving it. Look at him. Yeah, so this was a really great buy. This was nice. I just got him his favorite toys. And he's playing. Okay guys, I just did my workout. I'm gonna show you on the display how many minutes I did and the calories that I burned. And I did a 30-minute HIIT workout, and HIIT workouts are extremely good if you want to lose weight really fast and just get that fit body for the summer. HIIT workouts are the thing. So yeah, I'm gonna cool down and then go inside, get a shower, and then get some lunch. Woo! That was amazing. Yeah, that's what's happening now. I'm just gonna cool down, get some fresh air outside, and then I go inside and take a shower and get cleaned up. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Wow, it's so beautiful outside. I feel like, look at that. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at the sky. So amazing. I just love it. Okay guys, I did a 30-minute workout. It's still, the number's still counting because I'm still standing on it, and it said that I burned 297 calories. I absolutely love this machine. But yeah, my resistance was at 4, and I was going between 4 and 5 because I was doing a HIIT workout, a 30-minute HIIT workout. So you know that I take the resistance down, and then I put it back up when I go at the fast pace to 5, but my low pace was at 4, and then the high was at 5. So yeah, that was a great workout. I am sweating, oh god, and I feel so good. So I'm gonna shower now and get cleaned up. Okay guys, this is the facial that I use. It is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. I have a link in the description that you can get it on Amazon at a discounted price. It's very good. You can actually feel it pulling at your pores. It's real deep pore cleansing. If you have sensitive skin, I wouldn't suggest you use this because it is very it is very pulsating because you can actually feel it pulling at your skin, but it's very good for oily skin like myself, and it gets rid of the acne as well. It is it's very good. I just mix it with apple cider vinegar, and you have to mix it in a non-metal container, and yeah, I leave it on for 15 or 20 minutes, but it is, as it says, the world's most powerful facial clay. It is absolutely amazing. So if you guys want to try this out, you can try it. I absolutely love it. So there will be a link in the description that you can get it on Amazon. Really cheap, but it's really good. It's probably the best that I've tried. I want to give a big shout out to Kenny's vlog. I shared her video. Here is her channel. I shared her video on my community tab. Yeah, I want to give a big shout out to Kenny's vlog. She is amazing. She's been with me from day one. Also, I need to give a shout out to Humble and Calm TV. Mr. The girl, you see, she just nice. So anytime I want to see what's happening in Jamaica, I go over to her channel and check it out. So you guys need to go over and check her out as well. Also, who else? Kim's Beauty. I'm enjoying her channel. She is absolutely amazing. You guys need to go over and check her out as well. She is just amazing, and hey, she's got my name, so I gotta give her the support. She's amazing. And also, I found a new friend. I want to give a shout out to her as well. These are genuine people who've always been subscribing, always been commenting. I don't know what's wrong with me. Always been commenting on my videos. Where's her name again? I need to give her a big shout out. Oh Lord, I can't find it. And Zyros, how could I forget my friend Zyros? Zyros, you guys, he's a gamer, and you guys need to go over and subscribe to him. He is absolutely amazing, and he plays really hard. He's really good, you guys, and I'm not just saying that because he's my friend. Yeah, Jody and White. You guys need to check her out, Jody and White. She gives great advice, and her videos are amazing. I've been binge watching them on my phone, so it's not showing all the way to on the computer, but anyway, I watch them all, and she is amazing. Somehow I just got on this channel yesterday, and it feels like I've known her for years. She just feels like when I'm a good friend, and she's amazing. I had to give her a shout out in this one. But yeah, Kenny's vlog, you guys, she is doing good. Another friend I need to give a shout out to, let me find the channel. Travis Official Vlogs. I watched his video today, the new video. It is absolutely amazing. So may always get a good laugh. See, I leave the like there, and I always comment on his videos. So I'm just giving these guys genuine support because they're commenting on my videos, they are watching. I feel the love from them. So these are people I just had to give a big shout out to. And I don't know how long this vlog will be, but I'm gonna have to include this in there. So yeah, I want to thank everyone who is watching, and if you're loving the vlogs, thank you so much. Yay! I'm so excited to just continue this journey with you all. I love you all so much. Yeah. Yay! D is for dinosaur. Yay! What else are you coloring? Color the dinosaur. Luna.